Hello, everyone. Welcome to the second day of instruction for Earth Science. So you are going to need to, in your Edmodo, scroll down to post that says 814, Principle of Uniformitarianism. Okay, you have your questions that you need to answer and email them to me. And then we also have the link for the reading. I already have the reading pulled up. So, uniformitarianism. So we start off with this picture of, this is an outcrop at Checkerboard Mesa in Zion National Park in Utah. This is a very interesting pattern, kind of this swaying pattern right here. So we could ask a question, how did this rock form? Okay. So if we look at the rock, we see that it is made of sand or a rock called Navajo Sandstone. So if we know that it's made out of sandstone, we can't for sure say that this is the way it formed, but we can kind of make educated guesses as to how it formed based on other observations. So if we look down here at the sand dune, we notice that it has kind of a swaying pattern, and it would go back and forth based on changes in the wind. So if you were able to cut out a piece of the outcrop, a little section, you would notice that it probably looks similar to a sand dune. So we can't definitively say, yes, this was formed like a sand dune, but we can say that is a possibility. Now, the concept of uniformitarianism, James Hutton came up with this concept in the late 1700s. So the key saying is the present is the key to the past. So this is called the principle of uniformitarianism. So what this means is we look at a certain geological process in the present to try and explain things that happened in the past. So for example, we can observe this sand dune in the present, and we can conclude that perhaps that is how this structure formed in the past. Okay. So be sure to finish your questions and email them to me.